Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. Ayan. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magro-resonate sa lahat. Normal yon kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukulat ng energy ng Water Sign sa mundo. So, anyway, kung gusto mo, pwede ka namang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Open siya sa personal reading. Friend ko yun, guys. Hindi ako yon. So, let's start your reading. This is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Follow niyo ako sa TikTok, guys. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Anyway, ito po ay para sa mga water sign. Start na natin ang reading. Water sign, please, spirit guides, angel guides. For water sign. Water sign. For water sign, please. Messages for water sign. Wait lang, guys. Ayan, water sign. Queen of Cups. Yeah, this is your sign. Queen of Cups, that's you. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and King of Cups. Wow. King and Queen of Cups. Ito agad ang nagpakitang card. And this is you. Water sign. I do love your energy. Unang-una pa lang. For some of you, you could be dealing with a soulmate or a twin flame. I can see with the Seven of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Alam mo, nasa sa tamang actions kayo. Maybe hindi mo lang nahalata yun kasi with the Five of Swords, pwedeng may disconnect or may pagkakalayo sa inyo nitong person na ito. Maybe both of you are moving on with the Six of Swords para mag-focus sa mga kanya-kanyang buhay ninyo with the Ace of Pentacles, mga material na buhay ninyo ngayon. And yeah, because you are finding your stability with the King of Pentacles. Pero I feel like nasa sa tamang direction kayo ng connection ninyo ngayon. Okay, kumbaga parte talaga ito ng connection ninyo. There's a high chance of twin flame connection para sa iba. And ito hindi talaga siya dapat love reading, pero it feels like a love reading. Clarify natin. What's with the King of Cups? What's with the King of Cups, please? Yan, King of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Ayan. This is your person. I will not take this. Masyadong marami. What's with the Queen of Cups? What's with the Queen of Cups? Queen of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Wands and the King of Swords. Yan. And then what's with the Seven of Wands? So, sabi ko nga, pwedeng nakafocus kayo sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong material na pinagkakabalahan ngayon. You do have the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, you're trying to save money. Maaaring maraming naubos, maraming natapos na bagay or sitwasyon sa'yo. And with the Judgment, I feel like this is a soulmate connection, guys. This is a soulmate connection. Sa ngayon, medyo yung hirap sa connection ninyo, nawala na yun eh. Kasi nag-focus na lang kayo sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. Maybe in the past, gusto mong may sakatuparan or mangyari yung connection ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. Pero, medyo naging mahirap. So, nakakita tayo ng separation sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. But with the Judgment, kailangan talaga yung separation na yun para mas magising kayo sa connection na ito. Four of Pentacles, you're trying to focus on yourself, and then yung person that is trying to focus din naman sa kanyang sarili. You're focusing on your family. Yan, nakita tayo dito ng family energy. With the King of Swords, you are a very professional person, and nakikita natin na parang medyo nag-iingat ka rin eh. I feel like kung ano man yung mga meron ka na ngayon, ayaw mong basta-basta mawala ito sa'yo. no? Ayaw mo basta-basta mawala ito sa'yo. Nakakaamoy nga pala ako ng pritong isda. This could be a reading. Anyway, tell me more for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Emotion. What is the emotion here para sa isa't isa? You do have the Ace of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles. So, yeah, yung priority mo talaga is money. Kung ano yung, you want this person na may mai-offer ka sa kanya. Or maybe gusto mo siyang mag-offer ng something sa'yo, but you do love this person. Ace of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Mahal mo siya, pero mas nakafocus ka sa mga new beginnings mo muna. So, how about your person? What is his or her emotion para sa'yo? The Ace of Cups, so I told you, mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. Ace of Cups is here. So, mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. Walang, ano tawag dito? Paano ba sasabihin yung words nun? Walang duda. Ayan, walang duda sa pagmamahalan ninyo ng person nito. And the King of Wands, I don't know kung sino bang nagsabi sa inyo or naging honest na sa inyo, but one of you ay naging honest na regarding dito sa emotion nito. And yeah, with the Page of Wands, pwedeng na isabi na ito through chat or through call. So, this person loves you. So, that, yung iba, that could be you. Or maybe that could be your person. Pwedeng yung side na ito na sinabi ko na ikaw, kung ikaw itong umamin sa kanya, then pwedeng nasa side mo yon. And then, siya yung naggagawa ng paraan para may offer sa'yo. Mahal ka niya, pero gusto niyang may offer sa'yo. So, I told you, pwede magkapalit-palit yung connection or yung reading dito. Depende sa nangyayari sa inyo. So, what will happen in the near future for you and this person? What will happen in the near future for you and this person? Spirit guides, angel guides for our water sign. In the near future, you do over the moon. The Eight of Swords. Clarify the Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Swords. How about your person in the near future? You do aware the Devil. And the Five of Wands. And the Six of Pentacles. And the Four of Wands. Okay. So, in the near future, I can see you being secretive here. Pwedeng hindi ka masyadong makipag-communicate sa person nito kasi mas pipiliin mong manahimik. Mas pipiliin mong lagyan ng boundaries sa inyong dalawa ng person nito. With the Knight of Swords, I can see you running away, lumalayo, umiiwas sa person nito in the near future. And because you are still focusing on your money with the Seven of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles, marami kang gustong maabot kasi gusto mong maabot yun kasi gusto mong may offer ka sa person na ito in the future. Parang gusto mo commitment and hanggat hindi mo pa nakikita ang sarili mo na kaya mong ibigay itong commitment na ito dito sa person na ito, hindi ko pa nakikita magagawa ka ng action para sa kanya kasi ang una mong gagawin is yung maging successful muna. Okay, yung focus mo, priority mo, maging successful ka muna. And this person with the Devil, I can see a person na nagmamanipula sa kanya. I can see problem, challenges sa person na to. Kasi parang wala siyang magawa kundi ibigay kung ano yung gusto or pangangailangan nitong mga taong ito with the Six of Pentacles. And this could be the person or people sa paligid niya na parang kung ano yung demands nila, kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari, sunod lang siya ng sunod dito. And with the Four of Wands, this is your person focusing sa kanyang stability, career, money. And pareho kayo, no? And, yeah, but anyway, sabi ko nga, nasa tamang landas kayo kasi actually, kung ngayon ninyo gagawin itong connection na ito, kung ngayon ninyo ipipilit, honestly, hindi pa naman kayo parehong handa. So, possible na masaktan lang kayong dalawa. So, tama lang na mag-focus muna kayo sa mga kanya-kanyang dapat pag-focusan ninyo, which is yung personal na problema ninyo. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.